A very good morning, children. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh. In previous class we learned chapter 6. Now we can start chapter 7, letter E. First letter we learn A for apple, B for ball, b, C for cat, k, D for dog, d. Now which letter now? This is E. E for elephant, E for egg, yeah. Now we can listen this animation of this picture beta. What is this now? Egg. What is this? Egg. E-double-G, egg. Now which letter this is? Capital E and small e. What is this? Capital E and small e. Now which picture this is? Egg. Which picture this is? Egg. Now egg spelling what? E-double-G, egg. Now come here. What is this picture? Find out this picture. Elephant. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. What is this? Elephant. Now what is this? Engine. What is this? Engine. E-N-G-I-N-E, engine. Now what is this? Elbow.
Elbow.
E-L-B-O-W, elbow. Egg.
Elephant. Engine. Elbow.
I think you understood better. Next page. You can go to next page. Now you see use alphabets, you must write, trace, and you must write which alphabet this is. Small e. Which alphabet this is? Small e. You must trace and you must write it. Now which this is? Capital E. You must trace and you must write. Understand beta? We can go to next page. See here 4 lines you must write. Small capital E, small e and capital E you must write beta. Do in home beta this all. We can turn the next page. See, join these dots beta now. You must join and you must write it. Okay, we can see next. See, look and write it. First letter is missing here. What is missing here? Which picture this is? Egg. Now what is missing? E. E-double-G, egg. Now here also missing E. E-L-B-W. Elbow. Now what is missing here? E. Here what is missing here? E. We can go to next picture. These small activities you must join this elephant and you must do favorite color which you like, you must do is color beta now. Okay, now chapter is complete. Thank you. Most you all understood beta. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.